Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make tea. So first you have to boil some water. Then you have to crush a cardamom seed. Put in the water. Now we have a bit of cinnamon and crush. Add some cinnamon and ginger. It's very good for winter. Add the tea leaves. Let it boil. We use this kind of tea leaves and fresh milk. Then we need to add the milk. Add some sugar. Let it boil. It looks so creamy. It's ready. Drain it, but be careful, it's hot. Pour in a cup and enjoy your delicious tea. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.